Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making trifle. Let's do it. The simple way, start with that. 1 3/4 cup of milk. Yes, cold milk. Instant pudding in this cold bowl. Got the powder, put it in. And we're gonna mix on low for about 2 or 3 minutes. Pudding's becoming thick now. Now the pudding's thick, take the pudding, toss it into a bowl, keep it in the fridge, let it set for about 10 minutes, and then we can start making our trifle. But we'll make the whipped cream beforehand. Make sure you have a clean bowl. Need some whipping cream. I don't really measure, I just dump in a bunch of, I don't know, like about a cup of whipped cream or so. 1/4 cup of sugar. Kind of start the mixer, it started going. Dump your sugar in. We're gonna mix until it gets stiff peaks, so show you what you're looking for. Just a touch of vanilla, slowly increase speed. Simple whipped cream. Yeah, you don't want to overmix, but you want it creamy and thick. That's whipped cream, stands up, we're good. There's your whipped cream. Just kind of make sure it's chilled. So I'm gonna cut my angel food cake, cut it into a few pieces. I'll decide how many pieces. This, nothing fancy, just a few pieces. So, one for me, pieces of cake. See, trifle is not hard to make. A fun summer dish. Raspberries, strawberries, blueberries. So we're gonna wash them and then we'll start building our cake. Just tossing our angel food cake in a bowl. We're gonna get them drunk too. Chop them in half, the ones with the things on them. Oh, we'll leave a couple whole too. And these ones, we're going to take the semi thing off in quarters. If they're small, in half. Cut them all and then go from there. Good strawberries. Berries. I'll keep the ones that I want to do something with on top over there. It's gonna wash the blueberries. I think we're ready to build. So what I was thinking with this is the bread likes to soak up water. Pineapple Bacardi. It's very tropical. Why not? I don't want a lot. I just want a little bit of that flavor. Like a shot in a bit. Oh yeah, so the bread's all drunk now. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna grab a little bit of the bread. Bread a little bit on the bottom. No right or wrong way. Have fun with doing it. Some of our pudding. I'm gonna put some berries first. Custard or instant pudding. Get a little bit of that in there. Whipped cream. Add on there. Between that layer. Some more bread or cake. Angel food cake. The drunk stuff. Berries. Pudding. Whipped cream. I guess I'm doing like 3 layers. The last of the whipped cream. Strawberries on top. All over. I'm taking the stems off. Trifle. Give our trifle a try. Make sure you get everything in there. The pineapple Bacardi worked out good. Trifle. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love ya, and when you get a chance, make some trifle. I guess this is my dinner dessert. Bye.